Hello, Kirk here with the Kirk Hustle Revolution. What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute. I've been, up and around running. You know how it is. I'm always doing something. The hustle never stops, especially in the Kirk Hustle Revolution. Green notebook, green pen. Listen, I'm always in it. I'm always doing it. I'm doing it every day. Look, guys, today I want to talk to you about a couple of companies over here. Before I get into it, I always tell everybody, listen, go into the links in my descriptions. The book is there. Within the book, look, there is the list of 100 companies and apps that you can apply to, okay, in your area. But you definitely want to get the book. I tell you want the book because I break it down on how to start a courier company, or at least give you the outline of what it is that you need to get into the courier industry, okay? For those of you that are really serious about it, just send me an email, easycouriermoney at gmail.com, or you know what, better yet, kirkshustle@gmail.com. kirkshustle@gmail.com. It's also in the link all the way at the bottom, all right? I'm going back to my video style, old school, this way in the truck. I know I was doing it before with the laptop, and I'll probably be back and forth. I don't know, but I just feel like I communicate better this way to everybody else, So listen, first one I want to talk about, all right? First one I want to talk about, if you're serious about getting into the courier industry, guys, check these companies out. They're here. I got them written in the trusted green notebook. I had the old one, had to get a new one, and it has to be green. It's got to be green. I won't take any other color. It's the color of money, and that's what I like. All right, so number one, Onfleet.com. 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 Guys, come on. I'm spelling it out for you. Write it as I speak. You want me to say it one more time? Onfleet.com. ONFLEET.com. Go there. Once you get on there, you want to scroll down to Browse Drivers. Browse Drivers. That's what you want to do, okay? Fill out the simple questionnaire that they have. Put in your information, your personal information, what you're looking for, what state you're in, all that good stuff. The kind of vehicle that you have, they ask all those questions, and that's what you want to answer. You want to answer all that, pick your state, pick your city, and you go from there, all right? Onfleet.com. Now remember, they are based out of San Francisco, but they work nationwide, all right? All these companies that I give you are based out of somewhere, but they work out of several cities, all right? And remember, look, if it doesn't pop up for you, move on to the next one. You got to keep moving on. That's what this is about. You got to get your hustle on, all right? This is not called the Kirk Hustle Revolution just because it is. No, it's about hustling. It's about doing the right thing. It's about moving forward. It's about saying, you know what, all right, this one's not working, I'm jumping on to the next one. And remember, when I talk about the apps, I talk about stacking apps, working multiple apps together. That's where you get your money. That's where you bounce it up to, $2,000 a week, $2,500 a week, $1,800 a week, whatever it is. But you got to work the apps. It is important. And at the same time, as you're working the apps, you got to think, you know what? I got to start my own company. I have to start getting my own contracts. It's about getting your own contracts. Guys, I've been in this business, since 1996. 1996. I have been in the courier space. So I know what I'm talking about. You got all these other guys out here, yeah, I've been doing this. You know what? No comment. That's where I'm going to leave it. No comment. I know that I've been in it. I've been doing it. I do it. I'm in it. It's every day for me. So there it is. All right. So Onfleet.com. Number two, Airspace.com. 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 AIR. Air. Space. SPACE. airspace.com. All right, airspace.com. They have their headquarters, their actual headquarters are in Cali. All right, locations, earnings vary by locations. That works with every company. Okay, earnings are always by location. It varies by where you are, what state, what city. That's just the way it works. But airspace.com is great. Jobs are nationwide. Contracts are nationwide with them. You got to get in there. Same thing. Go to their site, fill out the information, put where you're from, and listen, you know what? Even if there's a waiting period, it's worth it. Every time there's a waiting period, just move on to the next one and keep applying. You want to be on that waiting list because they are going to call. All right. Number 3, here we go. Courial. Courial.com. You ready for the spelling? Courial. Courial. There's always a problem with this one because people put Courier.com. No, it's Courial. Courial.com. Courial.com. All right. Headquarters. Where are they? They're based out of California, but guess what? This is a nationwide company as well. Huge in New York, huge in the tri-state area. They're good. The pay is good. They are nationwide. Guys, jump on this. It's definitely worth it. It is definitely worth it. And I always like to jump onto GoShare.com. GoShare.com is another one. All right? GoShare. SHRE.com. GoShare.com. Guys, go there. Do it from your tabletop. Do it from your laptop. From the phone, sometimes you just get, when you apply, you get that little brief, application system where you put in your name. Do it from your computer, from your home computer. Do it from your laptop. Put all the information in and just make sure you're ready to give up your car insurance information, your registration, your driver's license. You need to have that. You have to upload those documents. Yes, the majority of these companies, you need to be 21 years of age or older. You need to have a vehicle. You must have a vehicle. Airspace, I believe they have a questionnaire and they start with e-bikes and down and stuff. But listen, guys, if you're getting into this business, you're getting into it because you have a car and you want to work it and you want to make some money. All right? So GoShare.com, do the same thing. Go there, apply, make sure you have your documentation ready to upload. They also want pictures of your vehicle, which is very important, right? And what do I like to end up with all the time? What do I end with all the time, right? CourierGigs.com. CourierGigs.com. Courier. COURIER. Gigs. GIGS.com. CourierGigs.com. Go there. Nationwide. They have a list. They are a network company. They have a list of all the companies that are available and that are working and offering contracts and jobs in your area. You basically go in, put in your information, put in your location, and everything will pop up of what's available in your area. Check them out, CourierGigs.com. And then the next one also, same thing, same platform basically, is CBDriver.com. C as in cat, B as in boy, driver, DRIVER.com. There it is. It's spelled out. No issues. We should be okay, you and me, right? I'm giving it to you. CBDriver.com is the same thing. Put in your info, put in your location, and it's going to give you a list. Guys, listen, 2025, economically, things are changing. A lot of things are happening. We're not sure about where things are going, but I do know one thing, and that is that being independent is very important. Making your own money is very important. I'm talking to my retirees, to my moms, single dads, single aunts, uncles, grandparents, all right, retirees. I'm getting a lot of calls from retirees. I'm getting a lot of calls from retired law enforcement, fire department. I'm getting all these calls, emails. Kirk, how do I do this? How do I get into this? and they're taking the coaching class. I do have a coaching class. It's 4 weeks. Email me, kirkshustle@gmail.com. If you go to the description below, you're going to see the links for everything. Definitely get the book. I highly recommend the book because everything you need to know is in there. How to get your certifications, everything is there. And I have the list in there too of 100 companies and apps, all right? It's also in there as well. So guys, just jump on it. Look, I'm here. You can email me every time. I'm getting the calls that my call calendar is completely booked. It is. I'm trying to make some more space. You know what I mean? If I had an extra 48 hours and an extra 3 days in a week, I'd probably be able to fit you in, but that's not the case, right? There's 24 hours in a day, right? And 7 days in a week. That's just how it works. So yes, my call calendar is booked. But here's the advantage that I give everybody. If you email me at kirkshustle@gmail.com and you say, hey, Kirk, I'm trying to book a call. I can't get through to you. I can't get on the calendar. Here's my information. Just drop your information from the get-go. Leave your cell phone number there. I'll text you. I'll call you up, whatever it is, all right? Or just email. Hey, and if I email you back, I will email you back. Then, we'll get a conversation going and we'll schedule a call. Guys, Kirk Hustle Revolution, the courier business is here to stay. It's growing. It's time for you to jump in. Get in it. And if you want the coaching course, email me. It's 4 weeks, and it's me. I teach it. It's you and me in the course. And I don't take more than 5 to 6 students per class. That's just the way it is. All right? All right, guys. Appreciate you all. Kirk Hustle Revolution. Peace out.